Hi, I'm Mike McGroarty, and you're at my shop, Nordonia Goodyear. We specialize in tires and auto repair, and we serve Northfield, Sagamore Hills, Macedonia, Hudson, Twinsburg, and the Brecksville areas. Our technicians are ASE certified. That's the top 7% in our industry. We are also a AAA approved auto repair shop. Our hours are Monday through Friday, 8 to 5:30, and Saturday, 8 to 3:30. We take most major credit cards. We can usually service your vehicle while you wait, but if you do have to drop it off, we offer free rides home. We also have a free loaner car while yours is being serviced. And as always, we do a 51-point courtesy inspection on your vehicle. And this is good because it helps find problems before they happen, leaving you stuck on the road. We have a 100% service, parts, and labor satisfaction guarantee. And right now, if you mention this video, we have a half-off price on our oil change, our full-service oil change. I'm located at 10235 Northfield Road, next to Pepper's Farm Fresh Market, right in Northfield. Our phone number is 330-467-9041, and we'll see you soon.